Are you thinking about buying real estate in Huntington Beach? Well, today we are going to go around Huntington Beach. Actually, we're going around Huntington Harbor. We're going to show you some homes in the neighborhood, take a look at 3 of them at 3 different price points, and give you a little bit of information about Huntington Harbor. So stick around and we'll get after it right now. So Huntington Harbor is located on the north end of Huntington Beach, right before you go over the bridge to Seal Beach, and just south of the Naval Weapons Station. It's really close to like Surfside. There's like a strip of land between Pacific Coast Highway and Huntington Harbor. And you know, there's a lot of activity out there. A lot of people go windsurfing, and it's right where the state beach is. So it's a great location. Plenty of things to do around here. Close to a lot of airports, a lot of freeways. You can get to them pretty darn quick from this location as well. All right, we are at house number 1 in Huntington Harbor. This is a standalone condo. It's listed at $1.2 million. It is a 2,571 square foot, 4-bedroom, 2-bath, and it has a gated entrance to it. A really nice area. This is at the very north end of Huntington Harbor, almost at the north end of Huntington Beach, pretty damn close. Next stop up is going to be the Seal Beach Wildlife Preserve and the Naval Weapons Station. So really nice area. Although in order to get to the Weapons Center, you have to go in order to get to Seal Beach, you have to kind of go around a ways. So it's a little out of the way, but it's kind of secluded. It's like tucked away. So really nice area. Let's take a look at it. Also, one of the nice things about this area is there's a lot of parks. If you have kids, you know, there's plenty of things to do. There's a big playground right here, right next to the water, and there's a little beach over there too, so great spot. Real quick, if this is your first time to the channel, subscribe and tap the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know about the real estate market in Southern California. My name is Steve Batiz, and I'm the broker owner of NextHome West Realty, and we get calls, emails, and texts every single day from people just like you looking to make their move into Southern California. So if that's you, don't be shy. Give me a call, send me a text, or shoot me an email. I'd love to help you make a smooth transition into the area. All right, now we are at house number 2. This home is 2,851 square feet. It's a 4-bedroom, 1 and 2 3/4 baths, and it is currently listed for $3,299,000. All right, we are at house number 3 now. This home is 5,129 square feet, 5-bedroom, 6-bath, and it has a pier on the back to park your boat. So let's take a look at it. Oh, and by the way, it is currently listed at $6,788,000.